this is Maxsell's Carat Pro machine. Now I'm going to give a demo on this, and this is our testing software. Just one tap, it will open, and it will take, oh, now the software is ready to use. So we'll open the door and place a sample. Here we have an option called zoom in. You can zoom and zoom out, and it's very simple, just only one button. You give the name 3, just start a test, and it will take 60 seconds of time. Hi, now the test is going to end, and you can see the gold percentage, copper and silver. And in this Carat Pro machine you can able to find the result within 20 to 60 seconds of time. Now let's try a fake jewelry. I'm going to place in this. Start test. Now the result we can see it is pure of fake. Copper of 99.9%. Let's try a ring. Now we are going to see the result. See, it's 22 carat purely, and you can see it is 917, and here you can add your weight, as the ring is of 4 grams and today's gold price is 3648. Directly you can touch on the card, it will calculate automatically, and for this you have time 20 to 60 seconds. You can get any result in this. Just give a print. Here you can see the result, as well as we have another format. This is A4 format where you can edit your company details and all. Yeah, thanks for watching the video.